Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. Gonna do our daily what sold video. As you can see on the screen, 19 orders, 163 bucks. I did send out, it was like 160 offers yesterday. And I'm not sure if all these sold on offers, but that's the increase in sales for the day. And the first one is Annapolis, Maryland, multi-view, Bryce Chase, Packa Street, Peggy Stewart House. So all that information. It's technically an ad card for the Electric Railroad Company there, which I did not note in the listing and probably should have. Anyway, $5.99 for that card. Illinois State Flower, Violet, artist signed Ken Hag or Hog. Shown this one before. Another one sold $2.49. Happy Christmas Santa Toy Bag Chimney Poem. Nice. Santa Claus has a little Christmas seal or little sticker there. And 1916 and sold for $3.99. Next, Florida State Map. It's a greetings from Florida. It's showing the attractions, bathing beauty. Do I put cities? Yeah, cities. You've seen this one before. $1.99. This is Quebec, Canada. Amos La Riviere, blah, 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 blah. It's an aerial view of this town. Has some French words that I don't speak or understand and can't say. So there's that. Sold for $6.99. Been up for, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, something like that. This is Wilmington, Delaware, North Race Southeast from Franklin Street. I think this usually says that's the Brandy Wine River, I think. If this was and would say Brandywine River, you could probably double that price easily. $6.99. Easter Greetings, Pink Green Bells, 1909. It's a pretty little card there. And sold for $4.99. This is Watsonville, California, Plaza and Mansion House, 1909. And sold for $13.49. Same buyer bought this, Watsonville, California, Main Street View, 1940s, World War II Soldier's Mail. And that's what that free thing stands for right there. There's that information. I took best offers or sent out offers. I sent out 25% off offers. So I think both of those were 10, 11 bucks. Arbuckle Brothers Coffee Trade Card Mexico Map Country Scene circa 1889. And I think this is the same buyer who has bought several from me. And I sent out offers, so this could have been an offer of like 11 bucks or so. This is Ponce, Puerto Rico. Large letter greetings from Ponce. This sold on the 25% offer, so for 38 bucks. I think when I originally listed this, I had it listed for like 120, 150 at an auction, probably a couple years ago. I was way overzealous with that price and dropped it down to this. Still a pretty uncommon large letter greetings card, but anyway, 37 bucks. I'm happy with that. Texas, this is Dallas, aerial view, heart of city, circa 1920s. And that sold for $9.99. Patriotic World War I soldier catching Kaiser, artist signed Bernard Wall. Although I don't see his signature on here. Oh, there it is right there. Yeah, World War I era. There's information there. So it looks like an AEF soldier. $9.99. St. Petersburg, Florida, packing plant, Golden Sunset, citrus fruits. So pretty much an advertising card for this company. 1938, $6.74. Next, Walt Disney World, Haunted Mansion, Magic Kingdom. And that sold for $4.99. Disney always sells. And then a buyer came in and bought 4 large letter greetings This is Antioch, Illinois. Large letter greetings. Came in the August 2021 auction lots, $3.99. Large letter greetings from Ocean Grove, New Jersey. There's that one, $6.99. Again, probably 25% off offers. Oranges, New Jersey. Wow. Large letter greetings. Again, probably 25% off offer. And then this one, Camden, New Jersey. Large letter greetings, $6.99. So there you go with what sold. And finally, today at noon, doing our postcard auction. 21 lots of at least 15 cards. Got a couple lots of old car advertising. Got a lot of Disney cards with these ones in it. Pirates of the Caribbean. A lot of Fred Harvey cards. Tinted real photos. Miscellaneous holiday lot. Several military lots. Interesting real photo collection of presidents and the first ladies. Several lots of real photos with some really nice real photos. Some mixed view lots. An artist sign lot with some really cool anthropomorphic vegetables. More real photos. Another miscellaneous lot of view cards. Another lot of really nice real photos. A lot of all animals. Another lot of real photos. Another military lot with some really nice real photo postcards. Yet another lot of real photos. This one's interesting. Two ladies knitting and the guy in the middle drinking whiskey. Pretty cool. Miscellaneous view lot. Another miscellaneous view lot with some interesting behind the scenes film production views. And another lot of miscellaneous topics and views. So we'll see you today at noon, and hopefully it'll be a good auction. I hope y'all have a really good day, and we'll see you at 12 Eastern.